welcome back to the video team. Today we are doing a slime video, so you have to. If you haven't watched our So Satisfying video, you need to watch that one right after this one. For this video, we'll be using the crunchy slime we used in So Satisfying, the flarp we used in So Satisfying, the putty we used in So Satisfying, and the kinetic sand we used in So Satisfying. Okay, so first I'm going to use crunchy slime. So I'm going to show you my favorite trick with this first. Okay, so I'm going to tell you right now that if you get a crunchy slime, after a while, like if you're not playing it with it for like a day or so, all the crunchies or whatever, the foam balls go up to the top. So there's like none down here, but a bunch at the top. Okay, I love crunchy slimes. They're so satisfying. Like, listen. Isn't that just epic? Okay, here's the trick I want to show you. So, they're so pretty. It's so satisfying. Okay, so what you're going to do is you just stretch it a little bit this way. Then you stretch it a little bit this way. Then you stretch it a little bit this way. Then you stretch it this way. Look at that. And then just go like this. And then it gets super scrunchy. That was a good one. Okay, guys, look at this. Okay, also I want to... That was cool. Here's another trick with this guy. So go like this kind of, and just hollow it out like that, and then you just close it, and then 3, 2, 1. Next I'm going to do the flarp. So here's the flarp. And actually, there's a trick I like to do when I'm actually taking it out. So I just take some, and I pull it, and then I take it upside down, and then I keep pulling it out. Oh, isn't that epic? I love this part. So most flarps aren't really stretchy, but this one is actually pretty stretchy. Here's a trick. So you go like this, lay it out, and then you go. My friend actually did that and So Satisfying. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to fart with it. So basically, the easiest way to do it is you just put it over the lid, and then you kind of push the sides in, and yeah, that's weird. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you is basically just how you put it away, like how I put it away. Just stretches in the container. Next, I'll be using my Putty Cosmonia. Look at that. Okay, what I love to do is I spin it and then I just stretch. This one kind of snaps. I love when it snaps. Okay, I'm going to do a good side. So I did it with the crunchy. I'm going to show you it with this. So you just like hollow it out like this, like I did with crunchy slime. Then you just close it up and then, oh, that's awesome. I love this one. It's so satisfying. I wonder if this, usually when you do this, it doesn't work with putty because putty is like harder than slime. Putty's like the more stretchy kind. I mean, slime can be stretchy, but putty's super stretchy. Okay, I want to tell you how it breaks and how it stretches. So this is how it breaks. So if you're holding it like super close together and you just go like this, it will break. But if you're like holding it like, I don't know how to explain it, like out further, then it doesn't break, it just stretches.
With less force.
Okay, now I want to show you the other thing I did with crunchy slime with this, because it's satisfying with this. So you do the same thing, but then look, this is a big hole. Okay, so I know kinetic sand doesn't dry out, but just in case with the slimes, put the lid on when you're done playing with them. Okay, it's also satisfying when you like put it in, like in the container. And then just playing with it in its container, like too, is just fun. Okay, next I'm gonna show you some things with the kinetic sand. So I need this, buddy. Okay, actually, once you get it out, which is hard sometimes.
What's that gonna do?
So leave it like this because I'm gonna take you and you just put it on and push down like that. It's a topless cat. Another satisfying thing is you get it in a ball like this, and then you just hold it over your tray thing, and then you just squeeze it in the middle. That was loud. Oh, it's so satisfying. Kinetic sand is awesome. I feel like it's better, like, if you go like this, it's not as satisfying as if you get a big chunk. Watching. Please subscribe to Down with Theo Team. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below which tricks you are going to try.